The 2014 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.